Hello and welcome to Learn's informational webinar for the Pilot Project Program. This webinar provides an overview of the program, eligibility, and how to apply. If you're interested in Learn's Learning Health System Scholars Program, there is a separate informational webinar. Both events will be archived on our website. Learn and its award programs are funded by the NIH through the Eunice Kennedy Shriver National Institute of Child Health and Human Development and the National Institute of Nursing Research. Learn is a collaboration between three universities, Brown University, Boston University, and the University of Pittsburgh, along with 8 health system partners. Current health system partners include NavaHealth, the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, or UPMC, Cleveland Clinic, American Healthcare Association, National Center for Assisted Living, Johns Hopkins Medicine, Intermountain Healthcare, Boston Medical Center, and Bayada Home Healthcare. The pilot program is led by Dr. Linda Resnick and Dr. Teresa Shireman through Brown University. Program support is provided by Project Manager Maggie Witten. The pilot program is designed to identify, support, and advance research proposals that address our partner learning health systems priorities, pair awardees with a Learn faculty mentor and an LHS partner, and to enable researchers to obtain data, technical skills, and the guidance needed to design, evaluate, and implement learning health systems research projects. Collaboration with one of our health system partners is essential to the pilot program. As you consider applying for this award, we urge you to carefully review the health system partners section of our website. There you can find descriptions of each partnered health system, their leadership for Learn funding opportunities, and their research priorities. These health systems offer a diverse range of environments and opportunities across the rehabilitation care continuum, the life course, and diagnoses and conditions. In order to successfully conduct a Learn pilot study, applicants must be embedded within one of our existing partner health systems, address one of the partner health systems priorities, and involve a clearly identified partner health system team. The relationship between the researcher and the health system should already be initiated, as applicants are expected to work with the proposed health system team to prepare their letter of intent and subsequent application if invited to proceed. In addition to a health system team, pilot awardees will be paired with a Learn faculty mentor based on the research focus area and the researcher's needs. Learn leadership will identify specific mentors for applicants after the LOI stage. The faculty mentors will then provide guidance as the applicant completes the application process. You can find more information about currently funded pilots on our website. The pilot award is up to $40,000, inclusive of indirect funds. Projects must be completed within 2 years. The majority of the pilot awardee's salary should be provided by their home institution, and the award should be used for the following as needed: travel to the healthcare system, stakeholder engagement activities, data collection, extraction, and analysis, systematic literature review, didactic activities for the pilot's awardees' skills development, and salary support if necessary. Who is eligible for a pilot program award? The pilot program is open to rehabilitation researchers with doctoral level or equivalent training who are at any stage of their career. Applicants from diverse backgrounds are particularly encouraged to apply. We welcome applicants from any discipline, academic location, or setting. The first stage of applying is the letter of intent. This LOI must include identification of the LHS partner and their identified priority area, a brief description of the proposed pilot idea, a statement of the applicant's preparedness to conduct the pilot study, a list of applicants' 3 to 4 priority areas for mentorship, affirmation that the applicant's home institution is eligible for NIH funding, and should be at most 2 pages long. In addition to the LOI, submissions at this initial stage should include an NIH biosketch and a letter of support from the collaborating health system. Our health system partners will then review LOIs for suitability and feasibility, and the Learn team will notify LOI applicants warranting full applications. All applicants will be notified whether or not they are being invited to the next application stage by March 1st, 2022. The second stage of applying is the full invited application, which includes the following components: letters of support and commitment, research proposal, budget and budget justification, biosketches for all key personnel, and human subjects considerations. We will now review each of these. There are 4 letters required with the invited application. The first is from the LHS partner, stating that they agree with the research priority presented in the application and agree to allow the researcher access to their site and resources. The second is from the department chair at the applicant's home institution supporting protected time. The third is from the Learn faculty mentor outlining a mentorship plan. And the fourth is an LOI signed by the applicant's institutional official indicating a willingness to enter into consortium agreement between Brown and their institution. The research proposal for the invited application includes a structured cover page, a project summary, specific aims, and the research strategy. The research strategy should be about 6 pages in length with the following sections: significance, preliminary work, if any, innovation, methods, feasibility, and timeline. Invited applications must also include budget documents using the forms provided with the RFA on the Learn website. These include the SF 424 budget forms and a corresponding budget justification. The budget and justification should outline a maximum of $40,000 inclusive of indirect costs and must include the applicant's institutional indirect cost rate agreement. In addition, the pilot funds must be spent within 2 years. And finally, invited applications need to include human subjects documentation. This includes NIH biosketches of key personnel and the completed PHS human subjects form using the guidance provided with the RFA on our website. To facilitate a timely start date, applicants are strongly encouraged to submit IRB protocols at the time of proposal submission. As you prepare to apply for a Learn Pilot Study Award, keep these criteria in mind. Successful applications describe a research study with a strong approach, address research priorities or questions that were identified by or in partnership with the health system, have substantial health system support of the pilot, include an investigative team that is well prepared to conduct the project, propose a feasible research plan, and should be likely to have important impact and lead to subsequent research or program expansion. Please mark your calendars with this year's key dates. LOIs are due January 24th, 2022. Applicants will be notified and, if selected, invited to submit full applications by March 1st, 2022. Full invited applications are due April 29th, 2022. And applicants will be notified of awards by June 1st, 2022. The earliest start date is August 1st, 2022. That concludes our presentation, and now we will have some time for a live Q&A. Please submit questions in the chat feature of Zoom. This session will be recorded and posted to our website and released as a podcast as a resource for applicants. Now, without further ado, I turn it over to the pilot program leadership.